शुभम करोति कल्याणम आरोग्यम धनसंपदा शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीप ज्योति नमस्तुते. The light that brings auspiciousness, health, wealth, and destroys the intellect of enemies. Greetings everyone presented here. I am Astha Bharali, student of Sibsagat Girls College from English department. I stand here to speak on a subject that transcends generations, the awareness, responsibility, and duties of the new generation toward a sustainable future. Every generation is the torchbearer of its nation's dreams and aspirations. But the duties of the new generation is far greater. Why? Because it is our duty to be responsible. Because it is our duty to be the clear vision toward our nation. Whereas responsibility serves as the illumination of truth. It is the first spark that ignites change. It is not merely about knowledge, it is about perception, conception, and values. Rather than that, we live in a nation where the youth is going forward for the change. For what? Because for the nation, because for the growth of our nation. Responsibility is not a destination. It is an ongoing journey that defines change. Let us be the generation that not only dreams of a better future, dreams of a better world, but take decisive actions to create one. मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ लक्ष्मीबाई की तलवार गरजी थी. मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ लक्ष्मीबाई की तलवार गरजती थी, जहाँ बापू के विचारों ने पहचान दी, जहाँ टैगोर की गीतों ने प्रेरणा दी, जहाँ प्रेमचंद की कहानियों ने रोशनी दी. मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ हर किसान के पसीनों से धरती सोना उगलती है, जहाँ हर सैनिक के लहू से चमकता है हमारा तिरंगा, जहाँ हर बच्चों के सपनों में बसता है भारत हमारा. The responsibility of the youth is very crucial to our nation because responsibility is the burden of action. It is the bridge between awareness and action. I must say to the new generation, you should be responsible and you should think far beyond the things that we faces in our society. Rather than that, duties are the pillars of our nation, duties are the pillars of our legacy, duties are the testament which we follow. Yet beyond all, I must say to the new generation, think of yourself, work with yourself, be responsible, because when you work with yourself, when you focus on yourself, you will be best, you will be give to your best to the nation and to the nature. Thank you very much.